I just wanted to jump on here and give you my review of the camping cooking set. This one is in green. It has a pot, a pan with a lid, which works on both. The handles do fold in for easy storage. It all comes in this nifty carry bag, and everything kind of packs back up inside itself. So the pan goes in with the lid, and then you would add the pot. Which makes it really easy for storage. We've used this on many camping trips. This is actually us on a camping trip here. It's really easy to clean. We've used it many times, and as you can see, there is no visible burn marks or stains. And then it also comes with bowls that you can use for scooping, a spoon, which has a retractable handle, and it's really easy. You just pinch it and then put it back. It has a cutlery set, which comes with a spoon, a fork, and a knife, which are all collapsible and come in a little package. And then it also comes with a ladle for stirring. Everything fits neatly back into the case, and this is my favorite. We have a camping kettle for that tea and coffee in the morning. It doesn't take very long to heat up at all on whatever device you're using, and it's easy to pack and lightweight, so easy to put in a backpack.